Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. My name is Micheline. I focus on fashion and style. If you to love fashion and the good styling moment, because we know that fashion starts with different things, and if you are a mid-luxury girl, you are all about saving your money, I'm sure you love it here. Click the subscribe button and turn your bell on for any updates. If you watched the Paris vlog, then you remember me going to Lancel store. I was trying to buy a bag, so I finally went and purchased a bag. I'm going to show you guys what I bought, and we're also going to do an honest review. But before we get into that, can we talk about my new piece from Ana Luisa, you guys? What? You know, I have worked with Ana Luisa before, and I am happy to continue working with them. One thing about me, I'm all about honesty, and this brand, not only I always want to work with them, and I finally got to work with them, thank God. I honestly can say that I love their pieces. So far, I have not had any problem yet. That's the reason why I said yes for this collaboration yet again, thank God. So this is a beautiful set that I have. It's actually a necklace, as you can see, with earrings. Now I am loving this because it's giving me that dainty vibe that I love. Very feminine, very soft, very beautiful, but again very powerful. It's so nice, you guys. Let me come closer. It's a beautiful flower necklace. I love it because you can wear it differently. You can wear it short, or you can wear it a little bit longer. And the earrings, you guys, can we talk about the earrings? How beautiful are they? If you don't know anything about Ana Luisa, it's a New York City brand, and I love it because their pieces are great. The quality is good. So far I haven't had any problem yet. You have a 2-year warranty, and on top of it, the price is pretty affordable. I'm all about saving my money. If you are not new here, then you know. So for that, it's a win. And this is giving season. They are doing a 30% off on the whole website. And on top of it, if you do spend $175, then you get a free diamond stud. I'm all about saving my money, you guys. Just like the bag I'm about to show you, it was all about saving money. So if you are also on a journey of saving your money like me, hopefully this will be helpful. Now let me tell you how I love wearing mine. Again, like I said, you can wear it short or you can wear it longer. This is another of the piece that I have. As you can see, it's still the same. It hasn't changed. So the way I like wearing it, I like to stack it. This would be nice for yourself, you know, a really nice gift for anybody in your family, whether it's yourself, your mother, your best friend, anyone. I think you make a really nice gift. Great for the holiday season. It's so pretty. I cannot. I just love it. Now let's get into Lancel Paris unboxing and first time honest review. As you can see, it's still in the bag. I have not opened it. I wanted to wait until I get back home so we can actually do it together. Again, I'm all about honesty, you guys. I'm an old millennial who has made mistakes in her 20s, and I've realized that spending my money any kind of way is not cute, because the goal isn't about having all the expensive things when your bank account is at zero. The goal is about pleasing yourself, aka buying something smarter and still having money in your bank account. So when I went to France, I bought this bag. I went to the outlet so I can save some money. If you don't know anything about Lancel, Lancel is a mid-luxury French brand. I have introduced to you, if you don't know, I have introduced the brand to you back in, I'm not sure if it was in May, it was a few months early this year, in my mid-luxury brands to invest in. This is a kind of quiet luxury French brand. As I am unboxing this, I wanted to give you a quick advice. I know many of us do travel internationally, but if you do not, or you do but you just never took advantage of this, please remember to do your detox when you go overseas, because it helps you also to save money. So this is the box. You guys know, I keep saying you guys know, have I said this already? But if you're not new here, again, you know that I love great details. I appreciate the details. I appreciate people or brands who take time to give us pretty packaging. If I were a brand owner, or the day by the grace of God I own my own brand, I think I'll spend a lot of money into details, into boxings and things like that, because I feel like that's how you show your customers that you do appreciate them. And this being a luxury brand, give us the whole luxury vibe, okay? Give us the whole luxury, honey. The first pro for this review to me will be the packaging. Like I just mentioned, this box feels really good. You can hear the noise. It's sturdy. So your bag is well protected. When I came, I had it in my suitcase just the way I showed it to you, and it was intact. This is a pro through and through. I like it. You can tell that effort and thought were put into this, and for that they can have my money. So this is how you open your box. This is how they closed it. I opened it because they had my sister's wallet in here. So this is how you open the bag, and my bag is inside. As we continue unboxing, we see that the inside also is well packaged with the name Lancel inside. Perfect. Details, details, details. When we are spending our money, again, we want to feel appreciated. And this is for me. Here's the thing. I can spend money on higher end luxury, but I choose not to. This is just the journey I'm on. It's not for everyone. So if this is too much for you, please respectfully, you can log off. As much as I want you actually to be here. For me, spending my money, whether it's $1, 50, 50,000, 5 million, I just want to feel appreciated. And small gestures like this make me feel like I am. This is the bag. It's a pretty small bag. I'm going to show you everything that I have as well, and I have something else in here. So we do see that there is a theme, red, red on red. And there is something about red and white that is just so beautiful and sexy to me, and very luxe, right? So even though this is mid-luxury, it's giving luxe. So you do see here Lancel Paris. As you can see, the brand was established in 1876. Old money, baby. Old money. This is not something that popped out yesterday because of social media. No. Those who know, know. Multiple layers of closing this box, so we have to undo it, and we want to do it together with you guys. As you can see, I'm just opening it. Why give us two boxes? See, they are generous. So this is my bag. Again, Lancel Paris. So the bag is a simple cotton dust bag, as you can see, with strings on the side. Very simple but nice. And inside is my bag. Oh my God, how beautiful is this bag? I was in the market for either a burgundy bag or green bag. I found my green bag. How hot. I love, love, love it. You see grained leather, so beautiful. If you know, you know. You can tell this is great quality. The bag is a bucket bag. If you are an African person or a French girl, or maybe not from any of these places, but you are into French luxury bags, mid-luxury, then you know anything about Lancel. And then you also know that Lancel bags are known for their bucket bags. We call it in French le seau. They are known for this bag. In the vlog, I showed you a different kind. This is really, really nice. So it's made of leather, and the bottom has this stud. I like this, it's different. So it says here Lancel Paris. On the strap, you also see Lancel, and there is a longer strap inside. There is a longer strap as so. giving you more option if you want to wear it as a crossbody. If I do decide to wear it as a crossbody, which I will, this is how long it is. It's pretty long, so it's tall girls friendly. Remember, you can always adjust it. I love it. As a top handle, I love. The beautiful thing about this bag is the fact that the shoulder strap can be removed. So on the day you want to wear it as a crossbody, you can remove the top handle strap and just keep it as a crossbody. And whenever you want to wear it as a crossbody, I mean as a top handle, you just put it in here and carry your bag as a top handle. Also, the strap is adjustable, so you can adjust it. If you are not a tall person, you can make it shorter to match your height, but if you are a taller person, you can leave it long. Bucket bags are really nice. They are edgy and at the same time they are classy. We love. I also love that at the end of the strings there is the hardware, really cool, to match the strap. Don't we love it? These are the details that we appreciate. And it also matches the silver on the logo right there. Nice. Even though this is a bucket bag, it has a pocket inside. It's dark, but I hope you can see. There is a pocket inside, and the pocket says Lancel Paris, made in Italy. I'm surprised it doesn't say made in France. But if you know anything about maroquinerie, then you know that Italian maroquinerie just French for craftsmanship. If we know anything about it, then we know that Italians are great at it. So that's a great thing. And there's the authentication inside. It says cowhide leather. That's the type of leather that this bag is made of. So nice. I love the size because it gives me multiple options. I can wear it at night for a more formal look or vibe, and I can also wear it at any other time of the day for a casual look. I love it. Isn't it just nice when I did it this way? This is just so nice. It will pair beautifully with white, with any type of color, if you ask me. Honestly, I love it. I'm just so happy to have a green bag because I was in the market for it. Another thing I liked that I really want to show you guys, and that's the reason why I say if you are like in Europe, I will encourage you to shop there because it helps you get more for your money. They gave me this gift. I just love it. Doesn't this give you the experience of higher end luxury brand? No? You should have seen at the store how they were treating me. Actually, me and my siblings really nicely. How cool is that? How cool? How cool. We all know you can always buy a strap separately to add to your bag to zhuzh it up a little bit, and I was given a free strap. I'm not sure how much this was because it was a gift again, but I just love it. I love it. It's genuine leather, and the salesperson said that this was real. I'm not sure how I feel about that though, but I love it. It makes my bag more interesting. Let's try it. This is one of the reasons why I love the fact that this strap is removable, because you get to change. And let's say I buy another one from Amazon or somewhere else, I can always change it. You see how it changed in my bag? It made it more interesting. This is cool. Like for summertime, I can always change it. I love it. And notice that the hardware is also silver. So it's okay, it matches everything. I love it. Now if there's a con, there's only one con. I wish The long strap was also removable. That way, on the day I want to wear it as a top handle, this won't show. That's my only con. Other than that, the bag is perfect. And it's perfect for the season. Frankly, you can wear it any time of the year. I'm just saying perfect because this is kind of dark green. It's like a camouflage. I love it. I wanted to give you guys a first impression review so we all can see together what the bag looks like, pros and cons. And frankly, I don't have too many cons. Everything is pros. I'm not sure if this brand can be linked. Not sure at all, but I will try. If I can, I will link it. If you don't see it, that means I was not able to link it. Perhaps I will find similar mid-luxury brands that I like, that I feel like are great quality, to link it for you. But I want to share my new in mid-luxury French brand bag, Lancel. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful and informative, and I hope you like my necklace. I am going to leave my Ana Luisa link specially made for you. I hope you guys can take the advantage of the 30% off and the diamond stud if you spend $175. I'm sure make a great gift for anyone in your family. Please remember to like the video, subscribe, and share with another fashion lover. As always, stay safe and I'll see you next time. Bye.